Greetings everyone, this is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. Check this out. This is the New Beginnings luxury necklace. There are three very powerful symbols in this necklace. The snake symbolizes rebirth, renewal, and transformation. It also symbolizes the shedding of the old in the same way that a snake sheds its old skin. The roses symbolize growth and beauty. The pentacle is a very powerful symbol that will give you strength and protection as you leave the old behind you and begin your new journey. If you find yourself in a situation where you need change or where you need to let go of the old or the bad things in your life, this pendant is your perfect companion. This pendant is made from surgical steel with a hand-poured liquid glass coating and or 18 karat gold finish. It is UV resistant, so it will last a lifetime, and it is made in the US. The pendant measures approximately 23.5 millimeters. It also comes with a bangle measuring 7 to 9 inches. And for an additional charge, you can have the back of this pendant engraved up to 2 lines, making this a very personal necklace. I guess my only concern about this pendant is the size. It is pretty small and hard to make out the detail, but those are minor issues. It is still a beautiful pendant. This design is also available as a pouch, a shirt, a sticker, a beach towel, and a fleece blanket. Now, when you order this from the Moonlight Shop, you are covered by their 100% happy guarantee. That means if you are not 100% happy with it, you can return it for a full refund of the item cost. Also, when you shop at the Moonlight Shop, you are not just another customer. You become part of the Moonlight family, a network of thousands of Wiccans and pagans from all over the world. So check this out, the New Beginnings luxury necklace, available only from the Moonlight Shop. That's one word, themoonlightshop.com. This is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. Thanks for watching and take care.